This is part 2.
Massive lightning storms and be able to detect them, how they're formed, and give us a better understanding of how much energy is actually associated with these massive
I'm close. I'm close.
NASA's
I'm
research
close. Trust me, I didn't burp when I was like posting episode 1.
There's still a tremendous amount of mystery shrouding this whole phenomenon.
Even closer. Yes. 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 I'm gonna finish it. 1 second, I have to finish it. I have to pause it so it doesn't end on me. Guys, almost there. My stomach hurts so bad. If I barf, it's for you guys, okay? I'm gonna finish it off camera and then I'll say. Now, I'll have to make a part 3. In part 3, I'll show you guys me finishing it.